asking Eric over East Chattanooga this morning, you know, do not use in direct contact with, I just saw it. Yeah, do not install where metal comes into direct contact with underlayment. And I'll tell you a story about that in just a minute. So Barret, remember that story I was telling you about where there was a friend of mine, a builder friend of mine, built a house that had ice and water shield on the whole thing, and they had a metal roof. And about a year later, yeah, it was about a year later, they the bottom rows of the ice and water shield melted and ran out into the gutter. Yeah. So you have to be careful. If you're using metal roof, be careful. We're doing this little addition here for a friend of mine's aunt, and it's looking pretty good. Paco, can I put you in my video? Are you the star? You're the star.
Macho man.
Paco, I know Paco. I know Paco for like 20 years. How long? 20 years? Yeah. 20 years we've been working together. No better framer in the world right there, man. I'm telling you. So what we got here is a little potty room. There'll be a vanity over there, shower, a closet, all kinds of good stuff. So Barret had a good observation. He was asking me about the soffits and how this house has no soffit, overhang. And of course, when I first talked to these people, I said there was two conditions that I would take this job. One is that I wasn't going to install vinyl siding. I don't like it. We're going to install a hardy lap. And two was we had to have an overhang on our new work. Okay. So I don't like this Cape Cod style, is what we used to call it back in the 70s. I don't like it. There's no protection for your wall at all. And I usually put a minimum of 24-inch overhang on. And most of the time you'll go to our houses, Barret, right? And
you got a bigger overhang than that.
Overhangs, and you don't have to worry about the tops of your windows or doors or, getting water in. You just don't have to worry about a lot of stuff. The bad part is, on my houses, a lot of times the grass won't grow, which is what you want around the edge, because it hardly ever gets rain, and that shows you how well the overhangs work. So, plus it's going to add character to this part of the addition. Paco is cool. I've known him. I've known Paco. That's Paco. For like 20 years, at least 20 years. I watched his kids grow up. Mm-hmm. And I remember one time, was it Noah? Was it Noah was on the roof over there was it Noah that was on the roof when he was little? Oh, Joe? Yeah. Yeah, on the river job. We were building this big $1 million house on the... Yeah. We were building this $1 million house on the river, and Joe was like this tall, and I drive up, and he's on the roof with a hammer. I said, Paco, get his butt off the roof right now. It's kind of funny. And he was like, you got to train them while they're young, man. I said, I know. I was trained when I was young, but I wasn't put in dangerous situations. So anyway, it's funny. It's a good life. So Barret, here's our drawings. I did the SketchUp, and this part, it's funny, I was in a hurry, and I let the roof extend. What's wrong?
I don't think they didn't frame that window in.
Yeah, they did. No, this is a fake window. We don't know if we're going to do that or not.
Oh, okay.
That's just because everybody kept saying, you don't have a window in the gable. I said, okay, I'll put you one there. Trick window. Oh. But so here's what Paco and I were talking about right here. He was wanting to put the post over here somewhere, and I said, well, the post is my corner for my stair, so I like having that strong And I didn't want to put the post in the middle because it would be in the middle of the window. That window's bigger than I've got it drawn. So anyway, these are our drawings. Like really all you have to have for this type of project in Hamilton County is, and you know, our county in Tennessee, is a site drawing, just to show a site plan to show the setbacks.
She's coming over here to talk to you, Dad.
Who does the access to the other part of the house? Have they overlooked that, or is it
In the attic, or?
no to the other part, the flooring underneath the house?
Oh, we're gonna enhance that opening that's there. You like that word, enhance? we're gonna take that plywood off that we blocked at the opening. You know, you were worried about.
They've already taken it off,
They have.
and it's not. You know,
We're gonna fix it. It's just that the framers aren't the ones that do that. So
Oh, I didn't know where they did that.
yeah, I gotta get Eric back over here to help me do that. So,
Oh, okay.
but so
They're coming along.
they are. It's gonna be cool.
That was neat.
Are they gonna finish today?
They'll finish the framing today and get it
will they?
dried in. Yeah, they'll get the decking and the ice and water shield on, and then I'll try to figure out what we're going to try to get material and stuff for Monday. So
What's Monday?
hopefully that's when we do some like decking. I mean sheeting on the walls on the outside,
Oh, okay.
and Tyvek, you know, the membrane that keeps
Oh,
it
yeah.
all nice and dry. And so right now I'm going to go try to look and get a window.
Okay. Very good. And they did the insulation then too?
We'll do the insulation right before we drywall.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
They're wondering what we're doing. They're doing all of theirs too. They're remodeling the inside of their house.
Oh, really? Huh.
Yeah, they're, oh my.
So Barrett and I got lucky. We found this window, and I'm going to show you something in a minute. This will tell you about the current state, or give you an indication. You see all of these windows for half a mile are already sold. I came over here thinking, oh, there's a plethora I can pick from. And the guy comes around and says, no, these are already sold. Amazing.
Yeah, pretty small though.
It's kind of small, but it's a bathroom.
In the opening.
It is. We're going to have to frame in the opening. This is what I was kind of making this video about, was all those people who ordered those windows on the side of the building are smart, because they pre-ordered them. And that's the only way you can get a window on time now.
I see.
You're looking at 6 to 8 to 10 weeks, depending on what manufacturer, because of this crazy supply chain. That ladder hanging over. That's not right. But just to let people know, if you haven't already figured this out, after 2 years of this mess, almost 2 years, if you're gonna do a project, you gotta pre-order. You gotta get, like right now we're building a house, a big huge custom over in North Chattanooga, and we haven't even started the foundation yet. I'm trying to get the lady to pick out her windows, just the brand and the style, not the sizes. Once she does that, I can go order the windows based on the sizes. And but it's just amazing to see. So all of those people, you saw that half a mile of windows pre-ordered. All of those people now are having trouble getting people to install. You know, there's not enough crews to do anything, pretty much. And the crews now, what's happening, a lot of the crews are working for these people who are building huge apartments, you know, lots of like large residential projects, whole subdivisions. We small builders who do just custom work, you know, have to wait. Like Shirley, God bless her, I love her, but she's changed her mind 3 times on just the plan. So she didn't change the size of the window, but by changing the plan, the layout, that did change the size of the window, the width and the height of it. So I always have a sense, you know, of these things. And I'll wait. I didn't try to order any windows, and just today Barrett and I got lucky and found a window that'll work, only because, you know, we had to deal with that 2030. 2030 is the typical bathroom window, right? And I figured that's what we were going to have to settle for. We'll have her decked and dried in today. So they're doing good. This is only like a day and a half they've been working on this. Well, Barrett,
What's up?
the next time I see you, you will be a new dad.
Yep, dad of two.
Barrett's having a son, a daughter, on Monday. It's time. It's at term. She's coming out, whether she likes it or not.
Right. Yeah.
But good luck, son. Call me if you need anything. Barrett's
Will.
off next week, and paid vacation.
Appreciate it.
And I'm just proud of you, son. You're a really good dad. You're a really good dad. I mean, I've watched you. I have observed you. You're a really good dad. So Sawyer's going to be lucky, and so is Kayla. Kaylee.
Yeah.
I know too many Kaylas.
Yeah.
So anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and wish Barrett, go to his channel and sing Drummer 89 and wish him well.
Appreciate it.
See ya.